In this video, I'll show you how to set up a recurring reminder in a Slack channel. So let's get started with the process. Once you're inside the Slack dashboard, on the left side of the screen, click and select the channel where you want to create the reminder. Once you click on it, the channel window will open on the right side of the screen. Now, look at the message box at the bottom. Here, we need to type a simple command. Start by typing a / and then type remind. Next, type the hash symbol followed by the channel name. After that, add the message or reason for the reminder. For this example, I'll set a reminder for a product promotion. Now we need to choose when the reminder should appear. For example, I'll type every Friday at 4 p.m. Once everything is ready, simply click the send button. And that's it. Your recurring reminder will now be created and sent to the Slack channel automatically. This is how you can easily set up recurring reminders in the Slack channel. That's it for this video. Like, comment, share the video, and subscribe for more video updates.